Hello, time travelers. Are you ready to explore the world of time? Today, we're going on an adventure to learn how to tell time with quarter past, half past, and quarter to. 12 o'clock. A quarter past 12. Half past 12. A quarter to 1. 1 o'clock. A quarter past 1. Half past 1. A quarter to 2. 2 o'clock. A quarter past 2. Half past 2. A quarter to 3. 3 o'clock. A quarter past 3. Half past 3. A quarter to 4. 4 o'clock. A quarter past 4. Half past 4. A quarter to 5. 5 o'clock. A quarter past 5. Half past 5. A quarter to 6. 6 o'clock. A quarter past 6. Half past 6. A quarter to 7. 7 o'clock. A quarter past 7. Half past 7. A quarter to 8. 8 o'clock. A quarter past 8. Half past 8. A quarter to 9. 9 o'clock. A quarter past 9. Half past 9. A quarter to 10. 10 o'clock. A quarter past 10. Half past 10. A quarter to 11. 11 o'clock. A quarter past 11. Half past 11. A quarter to 12. 12 o'clock. Thank you and keep practicing, and soon you'll know every time of the day. Don't forget to like this video, hit subscribe, and share with friends.